Anaisha's parents were always keen on teaching her the value of money. When she was just 5, they introduced her to the world of finance in the most playful way possible. An ATM shaped piggy bank. It was a miniature version of the big, shiny machines she saw her parents use. Anaisha was very excited every time she got a coin. She would hurry excitedly to her ATM, insert the coin with a satisfying clink, and hear the cheerful jingle as it dropped inside. This playful routine made saving fun and engaging for her. As Anaisha grew, so did her understanding of money. Her parents explained how the coins in her ATM were like seeds that could grow into bigger things. She learned about wants and needs. As she grew up, she learned about budgeting and saving for goals. Her ATM became more than just a toy, it was a symbol of her financial journey. Anaisha realized that while her physical ATM had a limited capacity, her real life financial goals were limitless. The lessons learned from her childhood piggy bank laid a strong foundation for her future. She grew into a responsible young adult, making wise financial decisions and always remembering the joy of saving one coin at a time.